Welcome back to Imperial Logistics TV, the show where we will be bringing you important and interesting information about Imperial Logistics that will create understanding of aspects and developments affecting the business and add value to your working life. And with us again in the studio is Cobus Rossouw, Chief Strategy Officer. Cobus, welcome back.
Thank you, Derek. It's great to be back.
Right, last time we looked at the new strategy for Imperial Logistics, the rationale, the vision, values, and the 5 corporate strategies. But Cobus, if you're really going to achieve your goals, it'll be fundamentally important to have clearly defined initiatives.
Yes, Derek, you're absolutely right. For us to be able to take thinking into practice, we have to prioritize and we have to align the organization. And for that reason, we have actually made sure that we define very specific strategic initiatives.
Okay, Cobus, let's explore some of those key initiatives and what they practically mean. Firstly, the group will reorganize itself for verticalization. I mean, what does that mean?
Derek, in 2 of our regions, both in Europe and in South Africa, we are currently organized according to the capabilities we have. What we're saying here is to be able to deliver in our strategy to verticalize, to be truly client-centric, we have to reorganize the way in which we face the clients. And that really means that we need to think very carefully about how do we interact, how do we make it easier for our clients to do business with Imperial Logistics. And it's really saying, well, how do we change the way in which the organization sets itself up to be able to deliver on this strategy.
But how will you optimize core capabilities here in South Africa?
To be able to deliver on our expectations, we have to eliminate duplication, we have to simplify the business, and we need to focus the business. That's been part of the South African strategy for the last few years. We've defined that as an initiative called optimizing our core competencies by actually saying how does it fit into this broader strategy. And it does mean that we are consolidating, making sure that we can deliver our services to our clients in the most effective way.
Let's take it outside South Africa to the continent. What are your plans to expand the African region's footprint?
We've grown into the African continent through acquisition, through getting into new geographies by bringing new capabilities on board. We believe there's more opportunities, and we will continue to find new countries in which we want to focus, specifically using the capabilities we have and the verticals in which we focus. And within the African region, so in sub-Saharan Africa, we are exploring what would be the best way for us to expand the footprint so that we can also grow our business.
Let's talk about operational excellence. What does this mean in the Imperial Logistics context, and what is your approach to establishing global best practice across the business?
We have pockets of excellence across our business. We have people that on a day-to-day basis perform processes for our clients in an excellent way. We recognize that that's beneficial for our clients. And our approach to operational excellence and this specific initiative really says, how do we make the most of that across the business? So take what is really working well in one part of our business, setting processes and standards so that we can take that into all parts of our business.
Okay, finally, Cobus, this is a complex and expansive undertaking. It really is. How will you gain optimal organizational alignment around these key initiatives?
The key for us is to live the fact that we want to become a more integrated organization, and therefore we have the unifying vision and the strategic framework that we all aspire to. A lot of it is about communication. It's about open debates and people asking the questions of how do we actually overcome some of the stumbling blocks that will come in our way.
Cobus, excellent insights. Of course, these are just a few of the strategic initiatives that will drive the organization into the future. There are others, right?
Absolutely, Derek. We have defined a specific set of these initiatives for which the senior management team is taking responsibility. They all are aligned to our 5 corporate strategies, but they are specific to some parts of our business where we have identified the need to specifically change what we do and build on the successes of the past.
So practical initiatives the whole organization can understand and rally behind. Cobus, thank you for joining us for the 2nd episode of Imperial Logistics TV.
Thank you, Derek. It's great to be part of communicating with our people around these very important parts of our business.
So join us next time when we talk to Michael Lutjan, Chief Information Officer, about the exciting future of information and communication technology at, of course, Imperial Logistics. Until then, from me, Derek Watts, cheers for now.